All right, we are back with episode 2 of our Dynasty rebuild of Old Dominion University. Again, I will be playing every snap of every game until we win a national championship. We started the first half of the season 4-2, and now we are in the full swing of Sun Belt Conference play, and we are up against the number 1 team in the conference, Texas State. Let's see if we can get in here and get a dub. By the way, wanted to point out again, we're down our freshman starting quarterback who had an ACL tear and may or may not return possibly within the last few weeks. We'll see if that matters going into this home stretch. But right now, let's get straight to the shits, okay? Let's play Texas State. The number 1 scoring offense in the conference, the number 1 6-0 team in the conference, man. Let's go, man. Can we take over the conference? That's what we're trying to do right now. 6-0, 4-2. I think the game plan going into this has to be the same. We just want to squeeze the clock. Yeah, this is the number 1 offense in the conference right now. We're just going to come out and just play how we usually play, man. They averaging 400 yards of offense per game. That's disgusting. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I know their quarterback was finna go crazy. That's what we trying to watch for, you know. And I have the wrong matchups out here. Oh yes. Why is he so slow? Let's go. That's how you start a game off against your conference, the conference leader, man. Yeah. What a way to start. Let's go. Come on, 5. Time to take over. All right, let's see. We're just going to keep running our little trap game. Hopefully their defense ain't too crazy. That's how you start a game, man. Yes. Pick right off the bat, right from the jump. Let's see if we can get the screen work going. I should have threw the ball. Oh, come on, man. He wouldn't throw the ball, bro. All right, let's get out of here. You know we've had struggles with field goals, but let's see. This is easy money straight down the middle. Got to take the points. We got to take the points. Should have been a pick 6 if that man was a little bit faster. But he wasn't. He was moving in mud. He struggled as soon as we went into the cover 3. He threw a pick immediately. So let's see. Good way to come down the line. All right, we're already pretty crossed up here, guys. He's testing the waters. He think we chump. He think the defense is chump. We ain't been chump. Oh, y'all not Virginia Tech. Oh, that was all me. That was so dumb. That should have been another pick, though. Oh, my goodness. Come on. I can't let stuff like that happen again, man. Holding. Pass interference. Yes. All right, here we go. Come on. Well, I got the flat. Oh, my goodness. Good run. All right, let me get the flat. Yes, good defense, guys. Cover sack. Let's get the ball back. We might do all right here. Y'all coming down too high. Let's see. Let's keep. Good run. 3. Good. Throw a pick. We need a turnover or something right now. Good way to get him. Please. Y'all came back out in gun. Let's go into nickel. We want to send a zone blitz just to scare him a little bit. Speed him up. I just got blocked out. And they've got so much speed. Bad ball. He. What is going on? All right, bread and butter, man. Bread and butter, because it's tough. It's tough out here. You know what? 5. Let's see if we can get 5 working. Come on, 5. There we go. Okay, maybe is this the wrinkle? Let's see. Can we run? 3rd and short. Did he get it? He didn't get it. If we can't get something like this. No. No. No way. 5. We getting shut down. No. We got to fight back. Fight back, y'all. Come on. We got to fight back. We got to fight back. Come on. We got to fight back, man. Fuck. Come on, yo. Who had him? All right, we dropping 8. We dropping 8. Fuck it. Good way to go grab him. Good way to go grab him. We got to spy him. He cooking. No. We getting cooked. Oh, no. I see what's going on. Oh, man. This is not good. This is not good. On the set. Let's make something happen on the set. Come on. There we go. There we go. We finna get in a hurry up. How about that? We finna get in a hurry up. We can't run play action because our offensive line is trash. So here we go. Just get rid of it. There was no time whatsoever. Y'all didn't give me nothing to work with. Man, come on. All right, let's see. Let's make up for it. Let's make up for it. We got to do something, y'all. Come on. We can't have this same type of shit. We need to be able to convert 3rd and short. All right, who we reading? The linebacker? No. That was so terrible. Oh, why? Why did I secure catch it? Because he sucked. Because he dropped the pass on us already. Okay, he out there. He out there chilling. Come on, 5. Come on, 5. It's house money right here. Block. No, that was trash. Let's go. Come on. Come on, call a timeout, bro. Oh, God. And we get ball back, so this is like a very, very pivotal drive right now. Okay. Page. No, great. Oh, my God. What a great play by the corner. We're toasted. He trucked him, too. They finna get in a field goal range? No way, man. Bad throw. Thank you. They gonna hit something. Watch. Thank God he tackled him. If we can just get in the field goal range. Yes, the punt was so terrible. What is going on with these punts? It's on us too. How did he get hold and he caught the ball for 0.4 seconds, bro? And then we got holding. Let's see. We got it. We got it. We got it. Okay. Let's see. What y'all come out in? Yeah. Let's try to kick a 60-yard field goal, bro. This game is going so quick. Their offense is just cooking. Nothing is working for us. 5 getting killed.
They might want to change their coverages as well because they're probably at this point expecting this offense to have to keep throwing, considering they did have success in the first half.
Roughing the passer? Yes. We just gotta.
This offense plenty happy enough with the results of that play, so they just let the official put that flag back in his pocket and decline the penalty.
I don't even know if that was the right thing to do or not.
But you can't give up those roughing the passer penalties. It's 1st and 10.
It's holding. It's holding. Every time we get a groove, we get some holding BS. We're going to be in year 10 without a natty if we can't block. Look at it, man.
He took a shot trying to deliver that football, and it'll be 2nd down.
Can we get
Make the connection last time.
Paige? Can you go? Can you go?
He's looking for a man on 2nd down.
This is frustrating.
Has to find a way to convert this 3rd down, or else they are really in trouble. They keep attacking through the air.
He just dropped it. Yep.
Right? Go back to what was working earlier on in this one, and David, to me, that starts with being the more physical team.
Ooh, wow. What was that? We fried. Oh, no, man. I mean, they the number 1 team in the conference for a reason, bro.
Spins the ball deep. Nice job by this offense, understanding what the defense is giving them and creating.
This is bad, bro. We can't blitz. We can't go man to man and blitz.
To throw, it's McLeod.
The football, not able to snag it out of the air, but hey, batting it away.
Got some room.
The computer just ran straight into a block. Like, what am I supposed to do with that? We miss our freshman QB. We need him back, and it's rough right now.
Wasting no time throwing on this drive.
This is the only play that's worked all game. Because that's all we can do is hit one play and then the screen.
Wants to throw on 1st down. A little screen to the running back. Still running at the
Can y'all block him? That should take off. We just don't have the talent. It's a rough game trying to just screen and just mesh out of a talent disparity. I hit the wrong button, man.
He's looking to throw. Getting some heat.
Just, yeah.
Find a hole. It's 1st.
Can we get cooking?
They'll throw it to the back on the screen.
Damn, he got killed. Sheesh. And this is where they've been stopping us right here.
Now he can turn upfield for a big gainer.
They're setting up the
Come on, 5. Get in there. No. No. 5. Come on, 5. It's your time to shine, 5. It's your time to shine, 5.
You ain't lying. They did a great job. The offense was clicking. Everything went well. Palmer, they executed and got the touchdown.
Oh, no, man.
I love the sense on their heels.
Oh, he wants it all.
Who?
He's got it down the left. Running toward the tape. And the defense
We just getting our teeth kicked in. I really thought we had a chance. We can't come inside and try to stop the run, because then they do that. If we drop back into cover 4, cover 3, any type of zone coverage, they just run the ball for 10 yards a clip. This is just straight up, we just don't have the talent to do anything right now to fight back. It's that simple. We had it. We had the drive of the game, and then blow, they just come right back and just dominate.
has the ball back. The Monarchs will send the offense onto the field. Trailing by 3 touchdowns. If you're going to get
Holding.
David, the time to start is right now.
Got us now. Defense giving up points.
Coverage either, so
He's looking to throw.
holding.
And it's incomplete, but the penalty flag has fallen in the holding zone. Let's see what the call is.
It's 1st and 28.
Out of the gun, looking to throw. He looks that one in nicely. And he was able
We can't get no big plays. We don't have nobody that can make a big play.
No doubt in his mind where he was going with that football.
That hurts. If that's all we got, we need to score 3 times. Bad pass. Come on. Just get down. Come on. We just got to run this. We got to run this. Push, push, push. Come on, y'all. Let's push. We got to push the pace. He hit me out of bounds. He hit me out of bounds. Yeah, I ain't seen that. I don't think we've seen that the whole season. I just had to get rid of it to any button I could reach. I don't have nobody that can just go get that. Of course, I just let my man get murdered. All right. Bad pass. We got to go for it. That's the only play that's getting any run from us. That's it. Jeez. Come on. It's just a talent gap. This is crazy, man. He instantly hit me with that. That's wild.
He's done a great job all game long, setting the tone, and I think that's why this offense has been successful.
Wide out in motion. Quarterback flips it ahead quickly to the receiver.
It is disgusting the lack of defense we got right now. Or how good their offense is, I guess. Like, it's tough. I think I just put the defensive tackle into a spy. He trucking everybody. I can't even tap X at all. Man, this is gross, man. This is tough, bro. It's a puzzle we have not been able to figure out how to solve. I don't even know what to say. This is just, we can't get that stop. They are just, I see why this is the #1 offense in the conference. What are we supposed to do here? What do you want me to do here, computer? What do you want me to do here? And I thought it was sweet. And now look. Now they finna just get us out of here. Smooth. Get us out of here. Smooth. And that's all we can do. And look. We can't outrun. I can't outrun nobody. I just had him beat. And he just caught me. Caught me easy. He didn't even have to think about it. He just caught me like, all right, yeah, I got you. You good. We good. Oh, you want to break outside? That's cool, brother. I knew it. Let's try some new concepts out. Look how. Good catch. Too late. We down 3 scores in the 4th quarter.
But they're trying to make it happen. We've seen 2 big plays now back to back. They're putting pressure
To the air on first down. Unleashes one deep.
Yep. Tip drill on us. Pick 6. I forced it.
They start from their own 21. A 7-yard pickup. It'll be second.
stay in bounds. We're trying to bleed the clock. And after ripping off a really nice run, that guy knew, I've got to get down. I cannot get pushed out of bounds. Cannot get tackled out of bounds.
Holding. Can we get something on them? Something to help us a little bit? Jesus Christ. Y'all got it, man. We don't have, like, once we get this deep into a loss, it's nothing we can really do. We don't have the offensive guys to we don't have nobody to make explosive plays. We can't get a stop. And basically the only reason we might get a stop right here is because they just ran the ball 3 times.
Ideal situation for this offense. 3rd and long, back up inside their 20. He's looking downfield to throw. Buys a little time. And
That's it.
receiver out of bounds. And after the incomplete,
He's just sailing passes.
looking at 2nd down. Unloads to the wideout.
Yeah.
And it is another interception. Just a terrible struggle for this quarterback. Trying to take it back. And he's going to score on the interception. Touchdown, Texas State. They extend this 4th quarter lead, and now they are staring at a 7-game winning streak.
And that just might do it. Man, offense needed
Fuck. Come on, bro. It's over with. Yeah. Fuck them niggas. Take them out.
Oh, and how about that? I know Kevin and those guys. Shoots it to the left.
Easy. I'm about to run this every play and watch me hit it because my boy, I didn't even realize he was dinged up on the wear and tear. That's a coach mistake.
Fires to the wideout.
See?
A beautifully placed
I'm about to just run this every play. Watch.
drag for the big pickup. The Monarchs will snap it on 1st and 10.
He can't throw.
Looking to move it through the air.
Moorhead just couldn't. He was getting killed out there, bro. 4 people on that side of the field. Here, we finna throw it to the other side.
To the wideout.
He.
Intercepted.
I mean, it don't even matter at this point. Come on, bro. What is going on? Yeah. I mean, I set myself up for that. We played better against Virginia Tech than we are against Texas State right now. Embarrassing.
That long drive throwing him.
And this defense is frothing at the mouth. They're excited. They're jacked up. They just made a big play.
They got just enough push there on that run play to pick up the first.
This is the same concepts and the same stuff we've been running all season. We just come in here and lay an egg, just let them dominate us like this. Like, this is crazy. And it's just pure talent. Like, we just couldn't stop anything on offense. Then you throw 3 picks, which, of course, obviously is on me. But it's like, I didn't even realize how dinged up he was. He couldn't even he couldn't hit somebody wide open. He can't throw a pass right now. We'll be back, though. This is only the first season, man. We're going to see Texas State again. We're going to see them again. The game is not going to go like this. It's not going to go like this. I promise you that. It's not going to go like this. And this ain't Virginia Tech. We're not taking a knee.
Wilson to pass. Looking left. He makes the catch.
Man, I didn't know he was dinged up.
Going on 1st down. Nice defense.
Lost.
After the incompletion, they go back up top.
We lost.
A quick game.
We played bad and we lost. But we are not going to let this happen again. We're not going to let this drag the season down. We 4-3 now.
1st and goal.
Like, we got to come back out and be prepared.
Facets of defense together. Run defense, pass defense. They've been so good, man.
He's looking to throw.
Just stay in bounds.
Set up. And they've got him down like I'm Reese Davis, and this has been another presentation.
I don't know what to say.
EA Sports.
That was a horrific game. That's our worst game of the season. Like, hands down, worst game of the season. Wow. Wow, that game was embarrassing. But it's football, man. It's one game. We will get another chance to try this again. They're in conference. They're not going nowhere. So we will see y'all again.